Setting up your PlayStation 5 with the Samsung Odyssey G8 monitor requires specific hardware and configuration steps to achieve optimal 4K gaming performance. First, you need a certified ultra-high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable. This is essential for 4K gaming at 120 Hz with HDR and variable refresh rate support. Connect the HDMI cable from your PS5's HDMI port to the HDMI 2.1 port on your Samsung Odyssey G8 monitor. Make sure to use the correct HDMI 2.1 port on the monitor. Before configuring settings, ensure both your PS5 and Samsung Odyssey G8 have the latest firmware updates. This enhances compatibility and performance. On your PS5, navigate to Settings, then Screen and Video, then Video Output. Set the resolution to 4K, refresh rate to 120 Hz, and enable both HDR and variable refresh rate. On your Samsung Odyssey G8, select the HDMI 2.1 port as your input source. Enable Game Mode for reduced input lag, turn on variable refresh rate, and ensure HDR10 is enabled for the best gaming experience. With these settings configured, your PS5 and Samsung Odyssey G8 are now optimized for 4K gaming at 120 Hz with HDR and variable refresh rate support, providing the best possible gaming experience. The first step in optimizing your PS5 gaming experience is proper HDR calibration. The PlayStation 5 includes a built-in HDR calibration tool that ensures accurate color reproduction on your Samsung Odyssey G8 monitor. Navigate to Settings, then Screen and Video, and select HDR. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust brightness until the PlayStation logo is barely visible. This ensures optimal contrast and color accuracy for HDR content. Next, optimize your game-specific settings for the best balance between visual quality and performance. Different games offer various graphics options that can significantly impact your gaming experience. Pay attention to settings that have the highest performance impact. Anti-aliasing and shadow quality typically consume the most resources. Adjust these based on whether you prioritize visual fidelity or frame rate performance. Your Samsung Odyssey G8 setup should be configured differently depending on your gaming preferences. For competitive gaming, prioritize low input lag and high refresh rates. For cinematic experiences, focus on visual quality and HDR enhancement. For competitive gaming, use 4K at 120 Hz with VRR enabled. This configuration achieves 8 to 10 milliseconds of input lag in game mode, giving you the responsiveness needed for fast-paced games like Call of Duty or Apex Legends. For cinematic gaming, use 4K at 60 Hz with enhanced HDR settings. This configuration prioritizes visual quality over frame rate, perfect for single-player adventures like Horizon Forbidden West or Spider-Man Miles Morales. Variable refresh rate technology can sometimes cause flickering issues. If you experience VRR flickering, the most common solution is ensuring your monitor firmware is up to date. Samsung regularly releases updates that improve VRR stability. The graph shows how VRR present intervals can fluctuate, causing visual inconsistencies. To fix VRR issues, update your monitor firmware, ensure you're using a certified HDMI 2.1 cable, and check that VRR is properly enabled in both PS5 and monitor settings. If your display appears washed out or colors look incorrect, recalibrate your HDR settings and ensure Game Mode is enabled on your monitor. Game Mode reduces input lag and optimizes the display for gaming content. Common display problems include washed out colors, excessive input lag, and poor HDR performance. These issues are typically resolved by proper calibration, enabling Game Mode, and using the correct display settings for your content type. By following these optimization steps and troubleshooting techniques, you can achieve a smooth and visually stunning gaming experience on your PlayStation 5 and Samsung Odyssey G8 setup. Remember to regularly check for firmware updates and adjust settings based on the specific games you play.